Once you factor a polynomial, it becomes a product of two smaller polynomials. First in this bracket times the second in another bracket. To do that, you have to follow a certain steps. Start with this number, the number in front of x squared, and the number at the end, 5. You might be given a function like this, 7x plus 2x squared plus 5. Before you start any further, you have to make sure that the variables are in the decreasing order. So this is order 2, this is order 1, and this is a constant number. You have to arrange 2x squared plus 5x plus 7x plus 5. And now you will follow the steps we are about to discuss. In the first case, these are arranged already, x squared, then x, and then the number. So we don't need to do any rearrangement. Next, look at this number and the number at the end. 2 and 5, multiply them. 2 times 5 is 10. Now your goal is to find two numbers that multiply to become 10. And the same two numbers should add to become this middle number, plus 7. If you think of two numbers that multiply to become 10 and add to be 7, those would be 2 and 5. 2 times 5 is 10 and 2 plus 5 is 7. So the numbers are 2 and 5. Once you have the numbers, you will break this middle number into 2 and 5, those two numbers that we found. So this function fx would be 2x2. The first term is unchanged. We will break this into 2 and 5. 7x can be written as 2x plus 5x. These two combined is 7x. And then at the end, we copy the last number. Now, you group them by 2, these two together and these two together, and find common factors. Between the first two terms, the common factor is 2x, and inside the bracket we have x plus 1. Between these two, the common factor is 5, and in the bracket we have x plus 1. Now this one and this one, x plus 1, is a common factor between the first and the second term. So that common factor can be written out, and 2x plus 5 will be written together. The function fx has now been factored. The second question. We follow the same steps. Start with the number in front of x squared. In this case, it's 1. So 1 multiplied by the number at the end, minus 6. 1 times minus 6 is minus 6. So we need two numbers that multiply to become minus 6. And the same two numbers should add to become this number, which is minus 1. Those two numbers would be minus 3 and 2. Minus 3 times 2 is minus 6, and minus 3 and 2, when you add them, you get minus 1. So I will break this minus 1 x into minus 3x plus 2x. The function fx is x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. And I will group the first two terms and the last two terms. The common factor is x, so x minus 3 in the bracket, plus the common factor here is 2, x minus 3. Now x minus 3 is another common factor, times x plus 2. This is the factored form. Let's see this one. We have 2 and 10 at the end. 2 times 10 is 20. So we should find two numbers that multiply to be 20 and that add to become this number 9. Those would be 4 and 5. 4 and 5. So I will do 2x squared plus 4x plus 5x plus 10. Now, you can also do 5x plus 4s instead of 4 plus 5. Let's see what happens then. If I do 5x plus 4x plus 10, now between these two, the common factor is x. We have 2x plus 5. Plus, between these two, the common factor is 2. Inside the bracket, we have 2x plus 5. Now 2x plus 5 is a common factor, 2x plus 5, and this x plus 2 in the second bracket. The function has been factored. If you understand this process, can you try these two functions? Follow the same steps, factorize, and once you have your answers, mention them in the comments below.